Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Education Plus Arena. In last video we saw about HTML image, HTML buttons and HTML list. In this video we will discuss about some of the elements or tags which are used in text formation in HTML like br tag, hr tag, btag, itag, mark tag, pretag, insert tag and etc. We will see about how to give a line break, how to add a thematic break in HTML, how to make the text bold, italic or small or deleted. All things we will discuss in this video. So the first element is br tag. So br tag defines a line break in the HTML document. It is an empty element without a closing tag. So it has no closing tag. It is a simple br tag, breaking tag, which is used for giving a line break in your sentence or paragraph. So let's do with the example. So this is the format or structure of our HTML document. Now I am writing a paragraph inside the body section. Welcome to Education Plus Arena. Here you will get all types of educational video. Suppose if I want to write this sentence into 3 lines like this, then the output will not come into 3 lines. It will give all the content into a single line. So I'll save and run this. You can see I'm not getting the desired output. It is coming into a single line only. So I'll add br tag. Now I'm adding the br tag. Now I'll save and run. So after refresh, you can see I'm getting the desired output. Now the next concept is hr tag. So hr tag defines a thematic break in HTML page. It separates the contents horizontally. This is also an empty tag without any closing tag. So I'll show you with the example. So I have written one heading and 2 paragraphs. Inside the first paragraph I am writing this is my channel, and inside the second paragraph I am writing this is our channel. Now I'll save and run. So after refresh, I'm getting my output. But if I want to give a horizontal line between these headings and paragraph, then I will need to add a hr tag. So I'm adding hr tag between the headings and paragraphs. Now I'll save and run. So after refresh, you can see the horizontal line, that is thematic break in between the heading and paragraphs. Now the next element is pretag. So the pretag element defines the pre-formatted text. This element will display our content in a fixed width and with a specific font, and also give extra spaces and line break. So let's do with the example. So you can see I have written one paragraph and I have written my content like a poem, because I want to write a poem stanza inside my paragraph. So I'll save and run this. So after refresh, I'm getting my output but in a single line. This is not in a poem format. So I'll write pretag instead of ptag. Now I'll save and run. So after refresh, I am getting my desired output. This is in a poem format. Now the next element is btag. So btag is used for making our text bold. So I'll show you with the example. So now I am writing a paragraph. This is bold. Now I am writing another paragraph. This is not bold. Now I will add btag in first paragraph. Now I will save and run this. So after refresh, you can see the first paragraph is bold and second is not bold. Now the next element is itag. So itag is used for making our text italic. So let's see with the example. So now I'll modify this. I'll change the bold to italic. And now I'll write itag instead of btag. Now I'll save and run. So after refresh, you can see the first paragraph is italic and second is normal. Now the next element is a strong tag. So a strong tag is used to make our text strong. So let's do an example. So again I will modify this italic to strong. Now I'll write a strong tag instead of itag. So I'll save and run this. So after refresh, you can see the first paragraph is strong and second one is normal. Now the next element is small tag. So small tag is used for making our text small. So let's do an example. So now again I will modify this strong to small. Now I'll write small tag instead of strong tag. Now I'll save and run this. So after refresh, you can see the first paragraph is too small and second is not small. Now the next element is subtag and superscript tag. The subtag is used for subscript our text and superscript tag is used to make our text superscript. So let's do with the example. So now I am writing two paragraphs. In first paragraph I am writing this is subscript text and in second paragraph I am writing this is superscript text. In first paragraph I'll add subtag and in second paragraph I'll add superscript tag. Now I'll save and run this. So after refresh, you can see the first paragraph has subscript text and the second paragraph has superscript text. Now the next elements are del tag and mark tag. So the mark tag is used for highlighting our text and the del tag will show our text as deleted. So let's see with the example. Now I'll modify this subscript to deleted text and superscript to marked text. And now I'll write del tag instead of subtag and mark tag instead of superscript tag. Now I'll save and run. So after refresh, you can see the first paragraph has deleted text and second paragraph has highlighted text. So the next element is emphasize tag. So emphasize tag is used for emphasizing your text. So here I have written one paragraph. Inside the paragraph I am adding a emphasize tag. Now I'll save and run this. So after refresh, you can see the emphasize text. Now the next and last element is q tag. So q tag is used for giving the quotation in the sentence. For example, here I have written two paragraphs. One is this is cow and second one is this is cat. So in first paragraph I am adding q tag for quotation. Now I'll save and run this. So after refresh, you can see the first paragraph is inside the quotation and the second one is without quotation. So I hope you understood the concept. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching.